God, that's hot. Why do you say to hold them in the handles? Oven-proof my butt. Hey, I'm Megan Mitchell, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you a keto spinach and artichoke dip made in a pressure cooker. It's perfect for the big game. It's perfect for when friends come over to watch football. It's also perfect for just a Tuesday night at home when you want some keto spinach and artichoke dip. It's so delicious. Before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products straight to your door. Let's get started. I get to chop in this episode. I'm so excited. Everything's always pre-chopped for me. So I'm gonna start by chopping 4 green onions. This dip comes together, I think it cooks for 7 minutes. And the nice thing about making it in an Instapot is you can triple, double, triple, make it as much as you want, and it'll fill up the pot, and then you can just keep warm, and it keeps warm throughout the whole game. So people can come in, scoop. It's great for parties. Great for game day. Right, you just wanna finely chop this. I love spinach and artichoke dip. It's just one of my favorite things. I ate a lot growing up. Does that sound like a weird thing to eat when you're growing up? Well, I did. Have you guys ever had spinach artichoke dip from CPK? No. How good was that? That was what I used to eat in high school. You'd be like, Mom, I want to go to CPK. I want to get their barbecue chicken pizza. Just like how they made in Italy. Green onions are ready. I'm gonna chop up 1 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. They're quartered artichoke hearts. And I drained them, I rinsed them, and then just cut them, I don't know, into like 1/2-inch pieces. Doesn't need to be perfect, but nobody wants to get a big guy like this in their dip. Okay, everything's ready to go now. Everything's prepped. To the inner pot of a pressure cooker, I'm gonna add 2 10-ounce frozen boxes of spinach. So I defrosted this, and then I squeezed out almost all of the liquid, and you're left with this. So when I first tested this, I tried to use baby spinach or fresh spinach. It just leached out so much liquid, it was like a soup. Ooh. Spinach artichoke soup, but that's not what I was looking for. So this gave me the best result. Add that in, along with the artichoke hearts and the green onions. 1 pot meal. Everything's made in here, everything's stirred up in here. And like I said, you can double this or triple this for a large party. I have some Whole30 or keto approved mayo, because this is a keto dish. So if you can't find keto mayo in the store, don't worry. Go to thrivemarket.com/prep school because they got it. But it's also under Whole30. So keto, Whole30, if that's what you're looking for. You don't want the sugar in it. Okay? 1 4-ounce log of goat cheese, softened at room temp. That way it incorporates a lot easier. 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. I didn't go too heavy with the dairy. Usually it's cream cheese, sour cream, a lot of mayo. I try to keep it a little lighter for you. 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for some heat. That looks like a big 1/4. 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm adding 1/2 cup of water to my spinach dip. I've tested this on a couple different machines. For the Instant Pot, it needed 1/2 cup of liquid, but I also tested it on another machine and it didn't need any liquid, so you gotta kind of play around with it. Pressure cookers are fickle little buddies, so I needed 1/2 cup, you might need 1/4 of a cup, you might not need water at all. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. And you really want to mix this through. You want to make sure all of the goat cheese is incorporated. There's no chunks of anything. You want it nice and smooth and combined. Let's stir it up. You got to be careful. This has a tendency to scorch on the bottom. It actually turns like a golden brown and smells nutty and like nutty cheese. So I'm into it. But just keep an eye on it because the longer it cooks, the more chance it has to burn. So smooth it down into an even layer. Make sure everything is fully incorporated. Let's close it up. You want to cook it on high pressure. Pressure cook, normal, high, for only 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Once it hits 7 minutes, quick release it because you don't want it to burn. Okay, can't wait to show you. This cooked for 7 minutes. I quick released it. Woo! Oh my gosh, it looks great. Okay, no, I'm gonna move that so you can see, right? I found the spoon that I hate, but it's the only one that works. Okay, so you can serve this directly out of the pot, like I said. Keep it warm. Literally, there's a keep warm button. So you can hit keep warm and put out your crudité and people can just go boop, boop, boop. But I wanna be extra and I want this to be special. So I'm gonna scoop it out. And put it in this cool dish I found. And I'm gonna sprinkle cheese on top and broil it. Literally every time I use this spoon, I feel like a lunch lady. I love lunch ladies. And then sprinkle it with some more mozzarella cheese. Oh. I just had some coffee. Can you tell? And then Parmesan cheese. And then pop it under the broiler for a couple minutes until it's golden brown and bubbly. Like I said, completely optional, but now that you've seen me do it, it doesn't feel like it's optional, right? It feels like you gotta do it, right? Broiler. Hot out of the broiler. It really is. That's why I'm holding this. This looks amazing. It smells so cheesy in here, but like a really good cheesy. Okay, I'm serving this alongside some jicama sticks, baby bell peppers, radish, endive cups, and these crinkle cut carrot chips, which are perfect for dipping. Okay, I'm gonna dig into this. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. I love spinach artichoke dip. Okay. I'm doing it. Don't look at me. There's a kick of cayenne in there. Whew. That cayenne is a little spicy. If you don't like spice, maybe bring it back a notch. Maybe only a little pinch, but it's creamy. It's not heavy or like goopy. You know, sometimes there's spinach artichoke dips that feel a bit heavy. It's nice, it's light, it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's keto, it's delicious. I hope you make it. Let me know if you do. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy keto game day cooking. Bye, guys. What happened to Sam Goody, man? This is a nostalgia episode. Spin artichoke dip, Sam Goody, TGI Frieds, CPK. Do I have spinach in my teeth? Do I?